One of the hardest things that I have to explain as a barista trainer is ristrettos and normales and single shots, double shots. It does get confusing. So in this video, I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible for you to understand. So starting with the ristretto, we're going to get 22.5 grams of coffee. I'm going to put that in my portafilter, grind that off, pull my extraction, and then I'm going to catch just 22.5 grams of liquid. Not worried about the time at this stage. That is my ristretto extraction. 22.5 grams of coffee, 22.5 grams of liquid for our recipe. Once I go to do a normale, or what people would consider a traditional kind of double shot, I'm going to use that 22.5 grams of coffee again. I'll put that in my basket, I'll press my button, and I will turn that shot off when I get 45 grams of liquid. Now that is twice as much, so that's 22.5 grams of coffee to 45 grams of liquid. That is a normale, and that is what most people, definitely in Australia, we would consider a double shot. That's going to give us as much liquid out of that much coffee as I think is going to taste good. Now you can imagine when we use that ristretto and we cut that off at 22.5 grams, it's the same extraction the whole way through, but this guy, he gets turned off a bit early. That is a little bit thicker, sweeter. A lot of the sugars are broken down in the first, usually around 20 seconds. That ristretto cuts off. So that's going to be thicker, more sweet, and it's going to be a little bit more bold in your mouth for sure. The normale is designed to be more like a traditional espresso. It's more balanced. It's got the sweetness, it's got that acidity, it's got a little bit of the traditional, I guess, bitterness notes that come through in coffee, but it's definitely had a lot more water flow through it. So it's going to be a more balanced experience and a different mouthfeel. And that's what we want to serve when we serve an espresso or a short black. Now, I will say there is a lot of confusion around buttons on machines. Now, you might recognize something like this if you've got just any machine. They might have 5 buttons, 4 buttons, 2 buttons. Now, let's just remember the button pitches actually don't really mean much to us. They really just help you indicate, less coffee, more coffee. They can be programmed to whatever we want them to be. You might even be on a home machine and they can be programmed differently. So don't get too caught up on what the buttons actually say. We're going to program these buttons to whatever we want them to be. And for us, this is our ristretto button. It's going to give us that 22.5 grams of liquid in the cup, and that's our normale. So let's grab some coffee and I'll show you. That didn't work at all because I didn't tear that dosing pot, so we're going to get rid of that one. Try that again. $22.4, I'll take it. So there's my consistent dose that I'm weighing out every time, so I get that. I'm going to hit what is my ristretto button. I'll catch that. While I'm at it, and this is my normale extraction, but this time I'm going to catch it into 2 short black cups. They're just a 70 ml cup, and this is what I would consider a short black or an espresso. It's an espresso machine. Anything comes out of here, it's an espresso. So ristretto is more about the 1-to-1 ratio, normale being the 1-to-2. Something that grinds my gears is when people teach baristas 1 shot, 2 shots. It's a really common thing, and I'm trying to fix it. I'm trying to help baristas understand that when you hit that button, you're actually getting a ristretto extraction. You're getting a very different product, because what people teach is this is my small coffee and my large coffee, because technically that's 22.5 grams, but so's that. Go figure. So that's where the confusion comes from. Yes, it's the same amount of liquid and it gets called a shot, but technically the experience is very different for a customer when they're drinking a balanced long normale extraction. They get a single shot versus getting what would be a double ristretto. So let's be mindful that we're not teaching the wrong things. I want to help everyone understand coffee. Hopefully that is clear to you. If you're at home and you're on a home machine, you can apply this to you. If you put 18 grams in your basket, you can get an 18 gram double ristretto. You can get a 36 gram Normale extraction. So you apply your recipe, obviously different coffees, different equipment, but it's all about just simplifying that logic to 1 to 1, 1 to 2, and that's going to help you make better tasting coffee. So you're not running longer shots than your 1 to 2 ratio, and you understand, what the flavors are like on those ristrettos. I drink ristrettos in a 220 ml latte. I love how it cuts through the milk. It's got more body to it. There's just packed full of sweetness. But if someone serves me a short black, I hope they give me a Normale, because it's far more balanced. It doesn't coat my tongue too much. I get a better flavor profile of what the coffee is actually about. So there we have it. If this doesn't make sense, there's a whole nother video all about ristrettos. Luke shot that. We deep dove into it, and it could have been too confusing, so I'm trying to simplify it, but definitely go watch that video, and check out all the other videos on our channel, all about improving your coffee making abilities. Let me know if there's anything I missed. Did you know this? Is this something that you didn't know and you've been doing the 1 shot, 2 shot concept? I'd love to hear it. Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time, guys. Cheers. Bye.